I'm making yummy cookies and cream brownies today. It's the perfect brownie recipe with the most delicious Oreos. They're Numinos. I don't like regular Oreos because they taste very metallic. There's preservatives in them. Compare them, you'll see what I mean. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do to make these delicious fudgy Oreo brownies, I should stop saying Oreo, but I'm gonna keep saying it. Half a cup of butter, and then we're just going to melt the butter in the microwave. Just gonna add some milk chocolate chips and stir them in until they melt. Now we're gonna add some sugar. Okay. And crack in 2 eggs. We're gonna add a little bit of flour, a little bit of cocoa powder, vanilla, maybe a little more, yeah, and a pinch of sea salt. And I love using sea salt because there's no aluminum in there. I like to get all my vitamins and minerals, everything from my food, except for maybe some sun. Vitamin D. And that's our batter, foolproof and easy. We're just gonna pour about half the batter. Spread it around, and then just start adding your cookies. You can leave them whole, you can cut them in half like I'm doing here, whatever you want. Top your Oreos with the rest of that batter. Spread that on top, all over. A little more of those Numinos on top. And then I'm just gonna give them a little press down. You're good, you're nice, you're good girl, you're good. And then we're just gonna pop the brownies into a preheated oven, 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until they're done. And that does not mean that a poked in fork comes out clean. It means it comes out a little dirty because they're fudgy brownies. Our brownies are done. They are smelling super good, and it's time for me to eat some. Oh my, ooey gooey. The brownie itself is just so fudgy, so chocolatey. The Oreos, it tastes like a big old Oreo that's very soft and fudgy. Super easy, anyone can make it. It is foolproof. Subscribe and thumbs up the video. Leave a comment, let me know what you want to see next. Bye.